get in today's video. This is it. Just 3 days to go. Woo! Friday, 10/22. It all ends for your chance to win. But to entice you just a little bit for giveaway number 9, which ends on Friday, your last chance to win it. Because we're getting kicked out of our spot, we don't have mystery box. We got something even better and cheaper with crazy amount of entries. Welcome our epic bonus bags, which will have up to $1,000 to $1,000 in every bag, and most importantly, it'll have 1,000 entries towards this Bronco and a T-shirt for just 25 bucks. So that's your best, like, probably your best opportunity to get most entries for very cheap, and an opportunity to also have cash in your order. That's what I came up with. I hope you guys enjoy that. It's very budget friendly. It ends Friday. That's it. Legally, we can't give it away anymore. It all ends Friday, 10/22. Get it in. Get it now. 2 things before we get into this video. Forgive my horrible hair. And this is the beast right here. And where's the double giveaway? How does it work? Our double giveaway is live because even for the entries you get for this, you enter for that. This is our double giveaway, which means the Cobra's live. So is the Bronco. I hate this car that always drives by. I hate it to death. Hate your guts. The double giveaway means you can enter for the Bronco, the Cobra, or the Bronco, and every entry counts for both cars, but this ends first on Friday. I hope that didn't confuse you, but enter now, stangmode.com. I digress. Let's get in the video. It's gonna be your truck. Fam, this message finds you all Wonder Spirits. Today's the day we're going to dyno a 2004 stock Cobra after 17 years. How much power does it make? If you remember, Ford races at 390 horsepower from the factory. We're here at Chuck's with the hub dyno, but there's a new employee here I wanted you guys to meet at C&D Auto Tech. Who do we have here? What in the world?
What's up, everybody?
What?
Yeah, I know, my face feels a little funny.
So Chuck changed his disguise, and did you donate your beard or what happened?
I did not.
Okay,
I didn't even think about that. I wonder if there's a beard locks love or something.
He's more aerodynamic, so he can get the cars to us even faster. But what's really cool, guys, we're gonna find out what this car does on the dyno. Remember, this is our stock 2004 Cobra. It has 130,000 miles on it, but it's a completely stock example. So see how it does. Remember, what's about the hub dyno? It's the most accurate we have compared to, like, you know,
drum style dyno. Yeah, it's because the wheels are bolted, or the drive axle is literally bolted to the dyno, so there's no slippage, no spinning, no nothing. Don't got to worry about any of that stuff. From what I've seen, the dyno is very comparable to other dyno numbers. So let's see what she does.
What was your guess? You said it's 390, obviously from Ford.
390, I would guess
on the hub dyno.
330 to 340.
Okay.
I mean, I don't know. I'm not that familiar with these cars to be able to say.
Same here. Yeah.
You know, this is what you should get, but you know, I'd like to see 330.
I'm feeling, you know me. I'm gonna say he says 330. I'm gonna say, if you had to put me on the spot for this stock example, I've driven it. I've had the butt dyno. I'm gonna say 3,000 horsepower. What do you? I mean, it's a little low, a little conservative. I want to shoot low. What do you think, Miss Akila 350?
I didn't drive it, so I don't know. 320.
Okay, 330, 320, 315. Winner gets a free piece of candy. We'll see what this stock can do. All hooked up, ready to go.
Yep. Let me get her.
Get her, yeah.
Calibrated. We'll make one test pull before we go and
Sure.
make a.
Smells good. And yes, I replaced the brake light in the back, but I messed the retainer clips up, so I'm gonna get new retainer clips. But this brake light, all new, brand new LED brake light, just gotta fix the retainer clips. So it's my bad, but should be good to go. Wow.
That's good.
That's impressive.
355.
We were all,
Look at the torque number, though.
I'm so sorry. I was way off. 355.
That's freak.
That's a fact. We got a factory freak here. Holy cow.
What were they rated at?
390. So a hub dyno, 355, guys. Check that out. And the torque, 320.
All the Cobra owners with our low numbers.
You know what though? I remember I kept up with the 2018 A10 on that one pull. Ready? Yeah, yeah. Sounds so good though. Sounds so good. I was pleasantly surprised. It's 100,000. You know, I had to shift.
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
I mean, the good thing is the horsepower and the torque is pretty.
And remember how much louder this is in the S550.
It sounds so good too.
So it sounded good. It sounded. Yo, I'm happy. Guys, I am super proud of the Cobra. 355 wheel horsepower, 17 years later, with 130,000 miles on it, bone stock. It drives very well. You know, we had some fun messing around. We raced my buddy's A10 2020 Mustang. We raced a Shelby. And of course, just because after like, it's a stick shift and that Shelby was tuned, but that's very impressive. And you know, I heard your guys, yes, I can make this super fast with like $5,000. This thing could kill any of the cars I've already raced, especially on a roll because it's so light and it's so well known. But you guys voted to keep it more original, more stock. So that's what we're doing for this giveaway. And yes, if you don't know, this is giveaway number 10, which is still live right now. You can get cool Cobra merch. We'll do a couple more pulls and we'll do a little drive. I really love this. We got to do the drive through. I have to do this for your sake. I have to showcase to you what you're potentially winning. I'm so happy right now. The pulls are so much shorter. I'm doing the call of this is like, all right, back to, whoa.
Factory free.
What? What? 370, oh my gosh. Oh my goodness gracious. It is, like we said, factory free. That's impressive.
Let me figure out something because
Sure.
I don't want people questioning these numbers.
Yeah, go ahead, do your thing. Before we go crazy. That is a lot of power. Chuck's gonna just double check a few things, but 378 horsepower, 353 foot-pounds of torque. Wow. So we had to correct that. You saw standard, now we're gonna correction into SAE.
363.
That's still impressive. That's still impressive. So the other number was standard, but now we have a correction factor for SAE. But 363 horsepower and almost 340 torque. We'll just call it 340 torque. So I would say 364 horsepower to round up and 330 torque, 340 torque is. We're gonna do one more. Just to make sure we back it all up. Same number, backed it up. Actually, is this SAE corrected or standard? All right, then it's 4 horsepower more. Oh, that's SAE, went up. We just went up.
So more pulls, more power?
More pulls, more power. This factory free got faster at 368 from 364. So this is pump 93 gas. I got this is actually, hate to admit, this is Wawa 93. I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh. Now it got faster and faster and faster every pull, but there it is. 368 horsepower, 341 foot-pounds of torque. Woo! All right, Chuck, what do you think post-game?
Post-game? Impressed.
Yeah, I'm impressed too.
Very, very, very impressed.
It went from 353 to 364 to 368. So that's pretty good. Shelby owner, what do you think?
I'm like reconsidering my choices of cars. I should have got myself Cobra. That's way more impressive.
That's super impressive. And the fact that it's completely stock and 17 years old.
147 miles.
There it is. And we'll get a nice printout. And you guys, Chuck does have a hub dyno, just not just for me, obviously. You guys come here, you can get your car dynoed as well. Certified. I mean, the hub dyno is the most accurate dyno. They use that on like pro mods, so that lets you know how accurate pro mod is. And we had a little debate about the snake.
Don't call me out like that.
I didn't get to finish my point. We had a debate, and you guys can choose what's your favorite Cobra. The 0304 Cobra, pictured here.
You're forgetting that they had a Cobra in, was it 94, 95?
Yeah, I
They
believe
also had a Cobra in the Fox bodies as well.
they also had a Cobra, which we gave away, if people remember. The Mustang 2. I believe it's the same snake. Mustang Historical Society. Correct me if I'm wrong. I believe this is the same snake all the way through. And they changed it on 350 and the 500. What's your favorite snake? This old school Cobra, textured, nice look. It's also the same on the 500 here, but it's bigger. And I'll show you guys. Comment below. All right, you guys. What's your favorite snake?
The one I have.
If you stayed for the end of the video, we're going to show you the horsepower on this Edelbrock Lund-tuned C&D Autotech built Shelby G350 owned by this young lady here.
Best
And
killer. Yeah, it sounds where it's like full.
Well, I also